Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change currency on Exodus wallet application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video since the process is quite straightforward. The first thing to do is to open your Exodus wallet app and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of Exodus after signing in, tap on the little hamburger icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Now from this page, scroll down and tap on Settings. Select the Set Currency option and choose available currencies from the options displayed on the screen. Tap on one of the currency that you'd like to change to, and there you will be able to successfully change your currency for Exodus. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.